Self-regulated learning. A training module for pre-service teachers. Have you ever spent a lot of time preparing for a test only to find that you didn't do well? It happens to a lot of people. Self-regulated learning can help you develop strategies that can make your study time more productive. This presentation will tell you how.
What is self-regulated learning?
Self-regulated learning is a broad term that describes self-directed thoughts and behaviors that are used to achieve academic goals. Self-regulated students actively plan and set goals to complete an academic task, monitor and evaluate their performance of the task, and make adjustments if the goals are not met appropriately.
How can self-regulated learning help me?
It can help you become a better learner. It can help you teach your students to become better learners. Now, let's take a closer look at self-regulated learning. Self-regulated learning includes three main metacognitive processes: planning, monitoring, and evaluating. Planning. Planning involves thinking about academic tasks and how to accomplish them. Planning occurs in three stages: setting a goal for a learning task, establishing strategies for achieving the goal, and determining how much time and resources will be needed to achieve the goal. During the planning phase, you set learning goals, select learning strategies to reach the goals, determine how much time and resources will be needed to reach the goals, and organize the learning environment so that it is conducive to learning. Monitoring. The monitoring process involves your efforts to observe your own behavior, thoughts and actions that impact learning. Through self-observation, you gather information that will allow you to make judgments about your learning success. During the monitoring phase, you assess your performance and make adjustments to your strategies if needed. Evaluating. The evaluation process includes assessing the effectiveness of the strategy, the task performance, and comprehension level. During the evaluation phase, you evaluate your performance and make judgments you can use to improve your learning toward future academic tasks. Planning, monitoring, and evaluating.
How do I teach my students to plan, organize, and evaluate their learning?
You can embed self-regulated learning strategies into your current courses, or you can teach self-regulated learning strategies separately as a course or workshop. Now, let's look at some self-regulated learning strategy examples. Organization is a cognitive strategy you can use to create connections among information for meaning-making. Organizational strategy examples include outlining, highlighting, grouping, sorting, diagrams, charts, pictures, chunking, clustering, and main idea identification. Elaboration is a cognitive strategy you can use to assign meaningful information to something you are trying to remember. Elaboration strategy examples include summarizing, paraphrasing, mnemonics, analogies, and concept maps. Rehearsal is a cognitive strategy that involves repeating words or concepts you are trying to remember. Rehearsal strategy examples include flashcards, listing, repeating, and imagery. study environment and time management involves creating an environment that is conducive to learning. Study environment strategy examples include determining a regular study location and ensuring resources are available. Time management strategy examples include scheduling and planning study time. Help seeking in peer learning involves using the support of others. Help seeking in peer learning strategy examples include requesting instructor help, studying in groups, and collaboration with peers. Research shows that metacognitive, cognitive, and motivational strategies are all learned skills that can be modified and improved upon. If you believe your efforts will result in improved performance, you are more likely to give the needed effort. When you understand the relationship between effort and achievement, that understanding contributes to the desire to be persistent in the face of problems or failure. Instructors can help students understand this relationship. Now that you have learned more about self-regulated learning, try using these strategies to improve your performance and help your students improve theirs. Thank you for your participation.